Hey guys, welcome back to Know with Joe. Today I'll be checking out the BMW Natural Air Car Air Freshener. I got the starter kit, which comes with just a couple pieces. It's got instructions in German and in English, how to install. It comes with the holder that's got the rubber mounts attached to it. It's plastic, doesn't feel, too substantial. We'll check it out. Comes with a Mountain View scent, and then a couple different clip variations and some legal information. So first, I'm going to take this and let's see on the side here. Yep, on the side there's a place to open it. So you just kind of pull that down. I'll take out the Mountain View scent. Okay. It smells fresh. It smells kind of like spring. So let's see, which way does this go? Slip this in here. Okay, clip it. All right, I'm gonna install this in my vent. Okay, let's see how that goes. All right, so that is it. I will give it a test run. And let me just get the camera over here if you can see kind of the install. There it is there. So I guess I can still move it up and down. My vent still goes side to side. It's a little stiff. I wonder if maybe if I slip it into the upper vent, if that changes anything. It seems to slip in easy enough. All right, there, it could go in there as well. I want to match the lines the best, see which side it goes in best. Does it go better over here? I'm not sure. All right, well, we'll give it, when I go up top, it seems like you can move it up and down as well. So, yeah, let me see here. Yeah, it seems like if you go into this one, you can still move it up and down pretty easily. All right, I'm gonna check it out and I'll report back on the smell. All right, thanks a lot, guys. See you soon. So back in the car, and just from letting it sit, it's actually, when you open up a new air freshener, it smells really strong. It actually doesn't, and I think that it is really driven by the airflow, because now that the air's on, I'm starting to smell it again. So pretty nice. I will keep testing it for the day and see, if the strength changes. But yeah, now as we're driving and the air's on, I can smell it more now. Pretty cool. And it's like a pleasant, floral kind of a smell. All right. All right, guys, so I'm back again. It's been a little while now. And just as I said, when I get into the car, it doesn't smell strongly of air freshener, but it seems more to be driven by the air coming through the vents, which is nice because, when you get in with a new air freshener and it just smells like very overpowering, it can kind of give you a headache sometimes. This seems to be more while you're driving with the vents, the air on or something, that is what's pushing the smell through. So yeah, I'll have a link down below where I purchased it if you want to check it out for yourself. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate that. And also in the comments, if you've tried any of the other smells, which I plan on checking out, please let me know which ones you've used, which ones you like, which ones you don't like. I really would like to know what everyone else's thoughts are on this. So thanks again for checking out my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.